What's up, guys? Let me lower this down. What's up, guys? Good morning. Buenos dias, everybody. Today we're gonna be setting some posts in a customer's house in her front yard. We're gonna be setting some 2x2 posts. We're gonna be digging 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 5 holes today, putting the post. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rick. I'm 28 years old. I'm a welder fabricator. I build wrought iron gates. I work with wrought iron work. If you're into that kind of shit, hit the like button, the subscribe button, the bell button. All right, my YouTubers, my followers, my subscribers. So for this specific video, we're gonna be doing a wrought iron fence. This fence is gonna have a little walk-through gate, and it will also have a sliding gate. It's gonna have about three panels. This is gonna be a wrought iron fence, the frame, with wood slats all in the center. All right, guys, so we're here at the shop in the garage. I need to take the welder. I need to take this crate with my little tools, my hand tools, gloves. I need to take these ones, this crate that has my power tools. And yeah, let me load up the truck and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I got all the tools already. Got the welder. Got two welding helmets just in case. Got my crates. Got the concrete. I got this little shit for my welder. I haven't built a cart for it, so that's what I'm using right now. I got that to mix the concrete in. Don't think that I got a concrete mixer. I ain't up there like that yet. Got my extension cord and ready to go. All right, fellas, so we already got everything that we need. All right, now we're gonna get going to the customer's house. It's getting a little late. It's already 8:45 in the morning. I like to be there as early as I can, but today I have some errands to do. I have to go get the material. I have to come load up my tools. All right, guys, so let's get going to the customer's house. All right, guys, so this is gonna be the fence right here. We're gonna put a panel right here. Then it's gonna be your sliding gate. Then we're gonna be putting 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 posts. And right here, there's gonna be a walk-through gate that's gonna walk to the house. You guys ready? So I'm gonna start by digging the holes. This is where one hole is gonna be. I might have to dig up another hole over here, but we're not worried about this one right now. We'll put that once we put the sliding gate. For now, we're gonna worry about this side, the grass side. All right, guys, so I got the bar right here to do your holes. All right, so we got our first hole. Got our first hole right here. You just gotta be careful with this pipe. That's for the sprinklers. So I'm gonna work my way around that pipe because you don't want to have water all in the place. But this is 1.5 feet, 18. So we're gonna start with this one, then we're gonna work our way. No, we're gonna start with that one first. We already did the hole. We're gonna do this hole. Then we're gonna do the rest. Boom, boom, boom. All right, guys. You guys see the hole right there? All right. So you guys are gonna hear me breathe fast because I'm a fat ass. I gotta go run and shit. I never go run. I need to get them clamps, the ones where you put them in and just go like that. Get the dirt out. I never really bought those. Maybe I should. All right, so let me get the tape measure real quick. Okay, So we are at 14 inches and a half. We need a couple more inches. So it could be a feet and a half. I don't want to be digging it too hard because there's pipes and shit that you don't want to poke through. Alright, let's get this dirt out. I want this one to be a little deeper than 8, maybe 2 feet, because this one is going to be a swing gate and there's not going to be support here because there's bushes, as you guys can see. Well, I mean, the gate's not going to be heavy. It's going to be 4 feet tall, 36 inches wide. And it's gonna be wood, so we'll be all right. Yeah, we'll be all right. Maybe it's 18. All right, so that's 18 right there, buddy. Look. See that? Can y'all see that? 18. All right. So we're gonna start by putting concrete on these two, cutting them and putting concrete on them. All right, guys. Don't mind me. It's hot already. Gee. Alright, fellas, can you guys see me? Yes, you guys can. Alright, guys, so we already dig the 2 holes. These are the important ones, the ones that are always the first ones, which is this one and the other one. So now we're gonna be digging, be cutting the 2x2s. So it's gonna be 4 feet high, so we're gonna cut them 5 feet and a half each, and then we're gonna put concrete on them, make sure they're level, let it dry up a little bit. And yeah, we'll do the ones in the center after. Alright, guys, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna weld some 5/8 pickets like that for support, to give it more support, guys. Alright, and then we're gonna put it in the hole, put some concrete in there. Alright, guys, so we already put the pickets, we welded the pickets right there and one on the other side, so it could keep it, so it could give it more support. And right now we're gonna add some more concrete into there. This sprinkler, don't worry about it, they don't work, they're off, so no worries. So yeah, guys, let's just fill up the hole with the concrete. Put it right there. Well, let me mix it. Alright guys, so we already put this post up and the other post. Let's go check it out. We already put it up. Is it level? Yes sir. Let's check the other side. Pretty level, just a little bit this way. That's it. So it's gonna be your one pole, your second pole. We need to do a little gate right here, a walk-through gate. So we're gonna measure 36 inches from the inside of this post to this post. It has to be 36 inches. All right guys, so that's what we're gonna do. Put this post on and then we'll work our way that way. All right guys, so this is how I do it. This is how we're gonna do it. We're just gonna measure, like I said, from this pole. From this pole it has to be 36 inches. All right guys, 36. So that's where our pole has to be, right where I marked it right there. So we're gonna start digging up the hole and setting that post as well. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you got your first post. We got the second post. We got another post, the third post. This is gonna be a little walk-through gate. As you guys can see, it's nice and leveled. Come on, concentrate. A little bubble. There you go. Check this side. It's nice and leveled as well. So it's gonna be 3 sections. 1, 2, 3 sections. We gotta do this one and we gotta do this one as well. All right guys, 2 more holes, then we're gonna start framing it up. So we already did the hole, but we gotta be very careful, guys, cause there's a pipe. I don't know, you see that white pipe for the sprinkler? That's why we have to. That's why we have to do the hole slowly, cause you don't want to be all going off fast and puncture the pipe for the water. So yeah, guys, we got one more hole to do. Which is gonna be right here, around here somewhere, so we can have the 3 sections, 1, 2, 3. All right, we still gotta cut the square tubing for this one, the 2x2. Cut the square tubing for this one, but we still gotta do the hole. So let's do the hole first, then we cut the square tubing, then put the concrete. Yes sir. After that we go to lunch, come back, start framing it out. All right, guys, so we already got the post set up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did 5 holes and put them all with concrete. All right, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, guys, we're gonna take a break, go to lunch, come back and start doing the sections, guys. All right, fellas, here I am in lunch. I decided to come give me some Jack in the Box. You guys want to see what I'm eating? Check it out. Look, some chicken strips. Hell yeah! A little bit of ketchup, some curly fries, and some raspberry iced tea. Hell yeah! All right, so we're back in location. We're gonna start welding. Already got the welder and the generator right there. I'm gonna be using this little thingy majingy to help me keep the post up. Meanwhile, I'll weld this side. Once I weld this side, I could take that off, weld this, and so on and so on. All right, guys, so we're gonna start by cutting the tubings that are gonna go running horizontally. It's gonna be 3, 1, 2, and 1 at the bottom. All right. We're using 2x2 post, and we're gonna be using 1 1/4" square tubing for the ones that are gonna be running across. All right, guys, so I'm using this MIG welder wire flux core, 40 from Amazon. I just got this welder, so if you guys know of a better flux core welder, I'm new to this fucking. I was used to stick welding, you know. So I'm new to all this MIG wire shit, you know. So if you guys know some better wire that's out there, don't be shy to comment, you know. All right, guys. Put the shit on. We already got this section sort of done. All right, we're still gonna put a 1/2 inch square tubing around, but this is what the section is gonna look like. Then we're gonna have wood. All right, guys, so we still got to put right here and right there, and then we're gonna start doing it around. Yes, sir. Alright guys, so everything's welded on already. Everything is welded on. I used the Lincoln 140 weld pack flux cord. I do eventually want to get the bottle to start MIG welding, but that's for the shop, not for out here. Out here we flux cord welding. So all we gotta do now is just grind it down, smooth it out, and call it a day for today. And we'll be back Sunday. Today's Friday. We'll be back Sunday to finish off the square tubings on the top, on the bottom, sides, and the little door that's gonna go right here. Yes, sir. Alright guys, so we are done for today. As you guys can see, we already got a lot done. We digged up the holes, we put on the 2x2s, we did the frame, welded all around, and now we even grinded them down, smoothed them out, make them look nice. Alright guys, we'll be back Sunday. On Sunday we're gonna put the 1/2 inch square tubing around the inside of the frame on all three, and we're gonna get this door done. We will also be primering them down on Sunday, guys, so stick around. If you guys like what you guys saw today, hit the like button. If you guys could support the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell button for upcoming videos, that'll be great. Yes sir. Until next time guys.